Hey guys, it's Tats here from Castagra, and many of you know I did a comedy act at a comedy club, recently. And here's the thing, it was a great experience. I took some private lessons, jumped up there in 3 weeks. But I was looking at the class that was doing it at the same time. They had a 6-week class. They were going up every week with their peers, getting feedback. And I saw the relationship they had within the group, and also the value of that environment. I tend to do things sort of one-on-one or online, and I think, getting together with a group of people that share a common goal and sort of understand what each other is going through is a tremendous asset. And I saw that, and I'm gonna try really hard to put myself in more of those situations as I learn new things and grow. So here's the thing, if you were like me, kind of doing more of the one-on-one sort of, growth projects or online learning for growth, then consider a group environment. It's so easy to get the information, but you can't forget the value of community. It's fantastic. I just saw great energy, and I'm sure every single one of the people that was in the class benefited from that. So I saw it. I'm going to remember this, and I hope it's valuable for you too. Anyways, it's Tats here, and I'll talk to you again soon.